Hey guys, what's up? So I wanted to do a quick video on the boat and kind of tell you what happened to me and something to watch out for. So I bought my 89 Sea Ray. If you've been watching the channel, you know that I picked up a boat to do a little bit of work on. Kind of like a little bit of a project, a boat to have some fun on. Something that wasn't so big that I couldn't trailer it. This is an 18-footer. So I'm new to boats, never had a boat. I've driven them in the past, like on a lake or something like that, but never owned one. This boat has the 4.3 Mercruiser motor, so engine-wise, you know, we can tackle all that stuff. You know, we're always working on cars and stuff like that. But one of the things that got me, and I bought this boat from a dealership, and I kind of can't believe that they didn't do this, but the winch, I was backing the boat into the water, and the winch failed on the boat, and the boat didn't have like a safety chain on it to the bow. And you know, like I said, I'm a first-time boat owner, didn't know that this was even a thing. And then we got the boat back on the trailer. It kind of came a quarter of the way off of the trailer, and it stopped when the old part of the motor touched the pavement. It felt like a complete idiot on the boat ramp, but we got it back on, checked it all out, and luckily nothing got damaged. And had a lot of fun the rest of the day on the boat. Took it out a couple times since, it's been fine. But when that said, you know, to me, that would be like us selling a car with no brakes in it. I mean, this boat should have been all chained up. The winch should have been fine on it, but it's broke. So I bought a new winch. So we're gonna take this winch off and replace it with a new one that I got. So what happened was, this winch is pretty old, and you know, I think it's missing like a spring out of here. And when we were backing down the boat ramp, this little latch kind of just clicked up, and the thing just free spooled. And I didn't think much of it, but when I was towing the boat home from the dealer that I bought it from, the same kind of thing happened. But luckily, we have the boat strapped in the back, and the front of the boat kind of came loose up in this area a little bit when I was almost at the house. And I kind of had cranked back down on it, and you know, and snugged it back into place. So what I did is I threw a couple quick ratchet straps on it to keep it, you know, from sliding around on the trailer, because it's a easy loaded trailer, so it has rollers. It's going to slide easier than if it was just a couple pads. So I'm going to swap this winch out real quick, and I'll put the new one on, and I'll hook up the safety chain away, and I'll show you what it looks like. So an hour, a 20-minute project that's turned into like an hour and a half. So I got my new boat winch on, and it went on easy, but look at this crap. I bought this off Amazon, and whoever was on the Chinese assembly line didn't put the C-clip in, the little thing right there, the bushing. So I had to go to Home Depot and push this bushing into the hole that I was supposed to be in, and put my C-clip in that I got from Home Depot, and hopefully it'll be all set. Unbelievable, everything's built like complete crap. Right, so luckily that C-clamp I bought from Home Depot looks like it fit the bill. It fit into that groove. Bushing is in place. No more play. It's not slopping around in there. And should be about it with this thing. All right, so I finally have this all together. All right, boat's finally nice and tight. Even tossed a new safety chain on here. Put a bolt through this hole right here. It's attached to that. So I should be in business. I feel like I'm in like an episode of Top Gear or something. You know, I'm trying to replace this winch because my winch was a piece of crap and the thing was beyond its service life. So I get this winch, and then this thing's a piece of crap, but I fixed it. So we'll see what happens with it. And these are all the things that I'm learning, all the gotchas when it comes to owning a boat. Now I know why it stands to bust out another 1,000. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment about the winch, whatever it might be. And if you have any tips or anything, leave a comment on the video, and help out our other boat owners. Take care, guys.